Hello students, today I am explaining your logical reasoning in maths. In this you have to use your logic, ideas and you have to give the answers. Very sensible way and magical way you have to solve the questions. Okay, so let's start. Our very first chapter is pattern. First of all I give you an introduction about it. In pattern you have to use the mathematical operations like addition, subtractions, multiplication, division, skip counting and reverse counting. Some of the alphabetical series are given, A to Z, Z to A, some of the missing numbers, missing the alphabet, some of the squares. This type of mathematical operation you have to use and you have to solve the answer. See the example. In the number pattern given below, what are the value of P and Q? Here you have to find out the value of P and Q. See the explanations. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it's come 8. Means 2's cube is 8. After 2, which number will come? 3. Means value of P here you have to find out. 3's cube is 27. Means P's value is 27. Go further. 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. After 6, 7 is come. 7's cube is 343. Means observe the numbers. Here they are giving the cubes of the numbers. So find out the answers of P and Q is 27 and 343. Correct option is A. Now example 2, which is the missing domino. Observe the figure. In this domino, in first box, there is a 5 circles. 5 balls are there. Small 5 balls are there. Okay, they are completing that 5 balls. See the explanations. In a slanting way, 3 circles are missing. 3 balls are missing. And in the next, नीचे की side पे 6 balls are there. Right? तो 6 को complete करने के लिए बीच में के 2 balls नहीं है, missing है. तो फ्रॉम दी ऑप्शंस यू हैव टू चेक. तो जहाँ पे 5 और जहाँ पे 6 को कंप्लीट करने के लिए कौन से बॉल्स मिसिंग है, दैट यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 3, विच इज़ द मिसिंग स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे तो रो वाइज और कॉलम वाइज जितने भी सर्कल्स है उसमें 10 टोटल हो रहा है. जस्ट काउंट इट आउट. जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क है वहाँ पे आप देखिए 10 कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितने सर्कल्स मिसिंग है. हाउ मच सर्कल्स आर मिसिंग ओवर देयर. 5 ऑलरेडी गिवन, 2 इज ऑलरेडी देयर, 5 + 2 7. वी हैव टू कंप्लीट 10 नंबर्स. तो 10 के लिए हमें 3 बॉल्स चाहिए, 3 सर्कल्स चाहिए. राइट. तो सी इज़ द ऑप्शन. देयर इज़ अ 3 सर्कल्स एंड अपनी रो और कॉलम कंप्लीट हो रही है. राइट. तो 10 इज़ द टोटल. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. Now let's start our exercise. What are the next 2 numbers in the pattern below? Observe the figure. 8, 10, 14, 20, then question mark, question mark. Here you can see you have to add even numbers simultaneously. First of all 2, then 4, then 6 and then 8 and 10. 8 + 2 is come 10. 10 + 4, 14. 14 + 6, 20. 20 + 8, 28 and then 28 + 10, 38. Means correct option is C. Second one, find the missing number. Students, see here I give you explanations. 123 multiplied by 7 you will do. That time you will get the answer 861. Means this pattern they are follow. Okay, here you have to use the multiplication. 7 multiplied by 51, then you will get the answer 357. 51 multiplied by 9, you will get the answer 459. So same pattern you have to follow. 9 multiplied by 102. Do the multiplication, you will get the answer 918. So correct option is C. Third, find the missing number. In a square 102 they are giving and outside the square there is a number 2, 3, 5, 8. आप उसके स्क्वायर करो. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 8 square is 64 and then you can add it out. You will get the answer 102. Means you have to use your logic and ideas to solve the question. Same way you can cross check it out. How it come the 105 is coming. Do the square and add it out. In the question, in third box there is a question mark. Outside they are giving the number. 3 square is 9. Same pattern I am following, okay? 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 9 square is 81. I am doing the total, it's come 151. So correct option is B. Now fourth one. How many circle will there in a pattern 10? Here they are giving the pattern 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to follow up to the pattern 10. Pattern 1 there is a 1 circle. Pattern 2 there is a 3 circles. Pattern 3 there is a 5 circle. Just count it out. Means 2 circle you have to add in each pattern. After pattern 4, pattern 5 will come. In pattern 4 there is a 7 circle. Means 2 circles you have to add in a pattern 4. 7 plus 2, 9. So in pattern 5 it's come 9. Then pattern 6, 11. You add 2 in each pattern. Pattern 7, 13. Pattern 8, 15. Pattern 9, 17. We have to show the pattern 10. It's come 19. The correct option is A. Question 5. What is the missing number? Here's the multiplication you have to do. You know the table. Just observe it. 7 6 are 42. When you do the multiplication of 7 6 are, in middle they are giving the answer 42. Means here table is given. Same way 7 9s are 63 come. Right? The same way in which table 36 come. 9 is already given. The 9 4s is 36. You can cross check it out. 6 4s comes 24. So our 4 answer is correct. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. Which number will continue the series below? यहाँ पे मैंने पार्टीशन कर दी है 3 बॉक्स के बीच में. Okay. 2 logics are there. First will I explain you. 26. First and third box you have to see. 26 plus 2 it's come 28. Right? Don't see the middle one. यहाँ पे वही पैटर्न दी है. 26 में अगर 2 ऐड करोगे तो 28. After this partition 30 is given. Okay, fourth box. 30 में से 2 को मैं माइनस कर तो इट्स कम 28. Again 32 plus 2 if I am doing it's come 34. Means first आपको 2 ऐड करना है, फिर लेस करना है, फिर 2 ऐड करना है. Second logic is like that. When you observing 26 plus 2 it's come 28. First and third को ऑब्जर्व करो. फोर्थ और 6 को ऑब्जर्व करो. 7 और 9 को ऑब्जर्व करो. मिडल के बॉक्स को ऑब्जर्व नहीं करना है. ये लॉजिक है यहाँ पे. 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Then 32 plus 2 is 34. Means both the logic you have to use it. Your answer will come 34 only. Okay, the correct option is D. Now next question is 7. Find the missing term in the given number series. You just observe there is a table of 4. But 4 टेबल आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है लेकिन ऑड नंबर के साथ. Just see 4 1s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8 not given. 4 3s are directly given. 4 3s is 12. Then 4 4s is not given. 4 5s are 20 is given. Means odd number they are giving. So you have to use the table of 4 with the odd number. Okay. So continue you can do. 4 9s are 36. Then 4 10s are you don't do because 10 is the even number. Then go for the 4 11s are. Right. When there is a question mark 4 11s are come 44. The correct option is A. Now question 8. See the heart. They are giving the even numbers, but you have to even numbers add with the heart's number. 0 plus 2 it's come 2 in the next heart. Then 2 plus 4. Simultaneously you have to add the even numbers. 2 plus 4 comes 6. 6 plus 6 comes 12. 12 plus 8 comes 20. So in the middle heart there is a 20. Just cross check it out. 20 plus 10 30. 30 plus 12 42. 42 plus 14 56. So our answer is correct. 20 is the correct answer. Option B. Ninth question. See the shapes are given. First of all triangle, then square, then pentagon, then hexagon. After hexagon, heptagon is come, right? But observe the shape. In that shape, they are giving the numbers. Means You know the heptagon will come, but how much number will come, that I will tell to you. In a triangle they are giving the 6. Triangle have a 3 side. With multiply with the 2. 3 2s are 6. Square have a 4 side. 4 multiply by 2. Means multiply with the 2 you have to do. With the shape of the sides. Pentagon have a 5 sides. 5 multiply by 2 comes 10. Hexagon have a 6 sides. 6 multiply 2 comes 12. Heptagon have a 7 side. 7 multiply 2 is 14. Means in a shape they are giving the ascending order. First triangle, then square, then pentagon, then hexagon, then comes heptagon. And after the heptagon, octagon is coming. Octagon have a 8 side. 8 multiply by 2 16. So in a question mark there is a heptagon, and 7 2s is the 14 is the correct answer. Our answer is A. Question 10. Identify the rule following in the number series given below. See the circles 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 120 is given. All are the even numbers. Okay. And they all are multiplied with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. Means they are multiplied the previous number by 2, getting the next term. So correct option is B. So students, first to 10 and with example you can do the practice for it. In the next video I will explain you more sums. Okay, so do the practice at your home. Thank you.